Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript Course Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about Introduction to React. Introduction to React, setting up React development environment components and JSX syntax. State and props handling events in React conclusion. Setting up React development environment. To set up a React development environment, there are a few steps you need to follow. First, you'll need to install Node. JS and npm Node Package Manager on your computer. This will allow you to install and manage all the dependencies required for your project. Next, you'll need to choose an integrated development environment IDE or text editor to write your code in. Some popular options include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. Once you have your IDE or text editor set up, you can create a new project using the Create React App command. This will generate a basic React project with all the necessary files and configurations. Finally, you can start the development server by running the command npm start in your terminal. This will open up your project in a web browser and allow you to see your changes in real time as you edit your code. Components and JSX syntax in React. Components are the building blocks of a user interface. They are reusable and modular, making it easy to build complex UIs. A component can be thought of as a function that returns a piece of UI. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code in your JavaScript files. It makes it easier to create and manipulate DOM elements and helps to keep your code organized and readable. JSX is not required to use React, but it is recommended. State and props in React. State is used to manage data within a component. It represents the current state of the application and can be updated using setState. State should only be modified using this method in order to ensure that the UI is updated correctly. Props, on the other hand, are used to pass data between components. They are read-only and cannot be modified by the component receiving them. Instead, the parent component must update the props if changes need to be made. Handling events in React. Events are handled using synthetic events which wrap native browser events and provide a consistent interface across different browsers. This allows developers to write event handlers in a cross-browser compatible manner. Event handling in React follows the same syntax as handling events in HTML. Developers can add event listeners to elements using the onPrefix, followed by the name of the event, e.g. onClick, onSubmit. When an event is triggered, the corresponding event handler function is called. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have covered the basics of React and its benefits in building complex UIs. We learned how to set up a development environment, create components, use JSX syntax, manage state and props, and handle events by using React. Developers can build reusable and scalable UI components that can be easily maintained and updated. React's virtual DOM allows for efficient rendering and updates, resulting in faster and smoother user experiences. Its component-based architecture promotes code reusability and modularity, making it easier to maintain and scale large applications. Additionally, the vast community support and numerous libraries and tools available make React a popular choice for front-end development.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.